Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter camper conversion. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 110 PS. Accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished here in the lovely Fortana Red colour. Taking a look at some more of the exterior features, this example features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors. This camper features some exterior styling, including black inserts in the bumper, as well as a front lower splitter. Across all four wheels, we'll find a set of 19-inch bi-coloured multi-spoke alloy wheels. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find privacy glass on the rear windows, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, this vehicle features a rear view camera, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space, perfect for taking everything you might need on your camping trip away. In the rear passenger area, we'll find a comfortable twin-seater bench. Everything you might expect to find in a camper is included with the vehicle: a double hob burner, freezer/cool box, as well as a Dometic sink with a folding tap. Once the sun sets, the rear bench folds flat into a 2-berth sleeping area, and up in the driver's cab we'll find 2 Super Sports front seats. These feature twin armrests and provide comfort on even the longest of journeys. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as listen to any of your favourite radio stations. Throughout the centre console we'll find a few charging points, and exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter camper conversion. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.